So we have a 21 Highlander right here, and it's got the assist liftgate that automatically lifts the liftgate up and closes it for you, and it's got a problem. So right now it will do that, and then pretty much got to hold it, pull it all the way up. So it's got a big problem with that. So we're going to replace the struts. Show you how to replace the struts on here. And that'll be these bad boys right here. And they connect up here and down here. And then they got a wire that goes in here. And we'll show you what tools you need. Also link them in the description below so you can purchase them if you'd like. They're about 140 bucks. And they're really not that difficult to replace. You'll want to get access to get the wire out right here. And they have a access panel right here. And then they have one right here that we'll need to remove so we can get to the connector and unplug it. And then we'll pull this rubber grommet out and slide the new one in after we remove them from here. So in order to get the plastic piece out, we are going to use one of these plastic trim tools, and I'll leave this in the description so if you are interested in purchasing. It's really nice. They have a bunch of different types of plastic removal tools for all over your vehicle, and so it makes it a lot easier. So here are the new ones. As you can see, you got the grommet that'll go through, and then the connector. And we're going to go ahead and get the old ones off and get the new ones on. So as you can see here, these are little clips, and they go onto a ball and clip on. So on these, they just, once you get the other ones off, you're going to be able to just push these on. So we'll take a pick to get underneath here and pull this metal piece off on the old ones, and that'll allow us to remove it from the ball on both sides. Now I do one at a time because first of all I want to keep the tailgate up, and if you remove one you might have to have someone hold the tailgate up. I don't know, we'll see in a second here, but just be aware when you remove it. Once you remove the clip, you may need someone to hold the tailgate. You also might need a little hammer or something to kind of knock it off this little ball right here. Start in the front here. Pull down and pull out. And then the connector is this white piece right here. Clip has two different sides to it with two different, looks like connectors. See right there. That's the side you want to lift up on right here. And it pulls right out. Once that pulls right out, then you can pull out from there. So now we can actually do the clips right there and loosen those up, remove them so we can remove this strut out and put the new one in. All right, so you got the clip here. Just take a flat head, get underneath it, and then you can, you can get it loose. And since we're removing these, you can actually remove that clip. So now this is free, so we can just, when we remove the tension, we can take this off. But I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna get the other side released as well. That way we can do the whole thing at once. But this one is ready to be taken off this little knuckle here. Here's the other clip, and we'll get that one loose. Actually, it just shoved it up. We just removed it completely. So now this is free to come out. All right, so we'll get this going. There it goes. And then off it goes. Yeah, you're gonna have to have someone hold it up. It already starts coming down, doesn't it? Yep, you're gonna have to have either someone hold it up or get something in there. But they do have, on these, they tell you where, it says right hand. So on the new ones, it will say left hand, right hand, so you'll know which ones. So on these, you'll obviously want the cord to be on the top here. And so you'll just press these on with the clips in place on both sides. All right, so we're going ahead and just push them on disconnect that and push this one on. All right. And there they go. That's on. So now we have to push this through that hole and connect it up. And then the grommet itself, if you get a little wet, a little soap and water, and you can get that pushed into the grommet hole. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. You can kind of fish for it. Slide it in. There we go. And then it'll just connect right back up. Up in there. Only goes one way. Then we'll push this in with some soap and water so that way it seals that off. All right, so this black plastic piece, you got the arms here. And then you're going to, whoops. Then you're going to basically put those little arms right in here. And then you can push this back in place. And there you go. All right, so here's the moment of truth. See if it works. There we go. It's already doing more than what it did before. So it'll go up. Now it does have some space to go up. And there's different settings you can set it to. So now we are going to reset it. There's the liftgate button right here. You're going to hold it down, press it. It's going to beep. Hold it down while it beeps, and then it'll beep 4 times while you're continuing to hold it down. Once it beeps 4 times, you can let it go, and then press it again to close it, and it'll reset itself on the height. So we're going to do that. And then I let it go. Press the button. Coming down. Got a little chip there. There we go. There we go. Now it's all good. So it's working. So if this helped you out in any way, feel free to leave me a like and to leave any questions you might have on this down in the comment section below. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.